What is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's charting session. Today is April 6th, 2026. Not only is it today's charting session, but it is also the YouTube video on how I made 13,000 something dollars today. And shit, sorry, just got back from the gym. So, headphones out, trading view on. What should we go over first? Should we go over the AM trade or the PM trade? The AM trade's right here. So we had a little bit of a mixed bias as we had the London high still available and London low still available, as well as Asia lows and just previous day low as well. This Sunday low with some low resistance liquidity. We also had some low resistance liquidity up here, right? So low-key, I was just gonna see what the market gave me. Right, there was this inversion right here, which had really good displacement and took out the 930 wick. Right, and then I wasn't really, I wouldn't say ready yet, but this isn't the trade that I really kind of take anymore. Right, so I wanted to see, okay, maybe you can sweep this 930 low and then get an inversion towards this buy side right here, because if you guys know, normally the high of the day isn't created at 935 most of the time, right? And if it is, you'll see clear displacement to the downside. Like if 935 is gonna be high of the day, like we'd probably like really displace lower, right? Instead of coming all the way back up. But we just swept this internal low right here and then made an SMT with the swing low from pre-market. So we had an SMT at that low. We had an internal sweep of the 930 low, and then we had an inversion targeting the internal high right here. Very, very simple trade. We even respected this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Price higher, inverted this 1 minute as well as inverted the 30-second. And then we low-key just chopped around. I saw a lot of people complaining about price action after this opening move, which, fuck it. I mean, it doesn't matter to us, right? Like we were out by the time we had to do that. Did you go live during PM? Yes, I did. TikTok live. But yeah. So let's go over the PM trade. I didn't see anything. Hopped on for, I think I hopped on at like 1:30, right? We were building this low resistance liquidity. We had a, like injection of volatility, a pullback, and then I wanted to see us sweep this internal high, right? Low-key start posting in Discord when you go live on TikTok. I mean, I'm live on TikTok every day. It's just like, I don't know. Like if you just be updated if you want. I'm not gonna. This is like fucking holding your guy's hand at that point, you know. So we had this 30-second inversion that we had this wick come up and take the equal highs that I wanted to target originally with this 30-second. But when we got a closure above it, I was like, okay, I don't think this is going to be a protected high. We still had this high available, right? So two prominent wicks unswept. We inversed this lower 30-second, and then I just took a long just to this internal high and made 800 on the Elite Trader funding account. Still need 8 more days of profit till I get a payout on that account. So low key, that account is just like, oh, whenever I take money, I take money. But bring up Ninja Trader and see the total profit on the day. So we have our 750 on the Elite account, 1700 on 4 of the accounts for some reason, and then I guess the leader account got a much better fill, ended up with 2,100, and then only need $1,000 more on the alpha account to pass this one. And then once we get 3 alphas, that's when I'll add it to this Tradeify stack. But I'm just slow trolling these alphas just to make sure that I can get some max allocation and not, just spend all the money right up front. Plus, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day because I'm just going to be banking on these Tradeifys until the account balance is at like $16,000, and then I can take a 10K payout, which does suck, but at least we'll have a fat ass buffer. about the 30-second short. Yeah, I went over that. It was good. How do you feel about the long at 10:15 towards data highs? What was the data high at 10 a.m.? At 10:15. What time frame inversion was that? Individual accounts, unfortunately, Rajal, because my best day on these accounts is 3,000 and it's a 20% consistency rule. So the 5-minute inversion towards data highs. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is one of those things where, like, if you are waiting for the 5-minute, you want to just see the 5-minute inverse, like how it did on this next candle, and then get a 30-second or a 1-minute, maybe like this one. At least for the model that I'm trading, but I don't really like that 10 a.m. high. We probably tapped into some sort of high time frame PDRA or swept a bunch of liquidity, which is why we didn't have to go higher on the 10:15 inversion. Yeah, which sucks, but it's okay. Yeah, it's just annoying that I always forget with these alpha advanced evals that the advanced account, the profit goal is 8,000. And I made 3,000 the other day without like, I was like, oh shit, 4,000, but I made 4,000 today. So just got to make $1,000 tomorrow. I got smoked, so I would like to draw. Please explain ABS. Yeah, I mean, the draw was good, but it's not, we already had our up, down, up, down, up, down. No. It just easily could have turned into like, this is the New York range. Either way it goes. Yeah, 8 days is crazy. It's 8 active trading days. And your active trading day is 23% of your highest day. So my highest day on that was like 2,300. So my winning day is $530. So I basically need like 100, or I'm sorry, 10 winning days of $530 more. That's what it means, Joker. But I do like them because you can use max contracts right away. So I'm just building up my copy trader, right? So eventually I'm going to have 5 elite accounts, 3 alphas, and 5 tradeifys. But just for now, I'm running up this elite account as much as I can with the TikTok Live PM. Once I get 3 alpha advanced, we'll add those to the tradeify copy trader. And then we will also, excuse me, we will start having 3 alphas, 5 elites, 5 tradeifys, and then my funded futures next, maybe. Yes, yeah, I plan on getting as much allocation as possible. I'm tired of all this fucking, oh, if you do this on 5 accounts, why can't you do it on 20? Yo, let me get there. Like, damn. I think the best psychological part is like if you're struggling on 5 accounts or a bunch of accounts, bro, you don't have to feel afraid to go back to one, right? When I was still building discipline in the beginning of this year after having a losing streak and I felt like I wasn't confident enough to trade more than one account, or I went on one account, right? Got to pay out on one account. Then I went to 3 accounts, got to pay out on 3 accounts. Now I'm on 5 accounts. Now I'm going to get paid out on 5 accounts, right? You don't have to just rush the process because you're trying to make it look like you're winning more. If you have bad discipline on 5 accounts, like you're not even going to get paid on 5, much less one. Like you could just get money in your bank account with one account, or you can pretend to be able to trade and trade 5 accounts and just keep blowing sets and sets of 5. Or you could just secure one payout in your bank account, have good psychology. So that's what I did, but now I'm on 5, going to get some more alphas, all that stuff. Does anyone have any questions? We're gonna witness Prime Will when he got banned from Apex. That is true. You are gonna witness Prime Will. It's gonna come back. It's just slowly but surely. But I love the new model. The new model's working really well. So also have to make a deposit into a live account so I can have the live account on the copy trader as well. New model adapted well to current conditions. Very true. When you gonna trade on founders? The fuck is that, Pinda? Are you drunk again? You trading CPI on Friday? Yes. Yes, the current model. The model that I've been trading for the past 2 months. The one that just cannot stop winning and I'm just thankful for. Yeah, that'll be nice. Maybe if there's no fund that lets you pass in one day and then use max contracts right away. My fund of futures used to be like that, but low key don't even need CPI anymore. Yes, it's on YouTube. It's how I had a 92% win rate in February trading NQ futures. It's on YouTube. But dude, the last trade recap did really good too. Look. 558 views. It's not bad at all. Okay, you guys all good? I'm gonna end the video, upload this. Finna get yourself home, buddy. Oops. Somehow won a 5K Tradeify crypto account. What? That's interesting. Okay. I will catch you guys all in the live tomorrow. And if you guys want to join the Discord, if you're watching on YouTube, the link is going to be down below. Peace.